This is a final video to fix games always compiling shaders on open. Are you tired of waiting minutes just for your game to start? This problem happens because your graphics drivers and game cache keep rebuilding shader files every time. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and require technical skills you don't need. But today on Rexist, I'll show a secret easy trick that stops this for good. It works in just a few clicks and saves you hours of waiting. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below and I'll post it next. Don't waste time with complicated methods. This trick is simple and fast. Try it, and you'll open your games instantly without endless compiling.